Yo. This nigga seriously. What the fuck? Yo, nigga. You sound like a fucking Toyota .8. Your mouth, nothing's moving, man. Where the fuck that shit coming out of the exhaust system? Yo. Yo, nigga, what the fuck? We were just talking 3 minutes ago. I thought you said you're good. Yo. Nigga, you is killing me right now. What the fuck? Oh yeah. Fucking. You fucking Hawaiian Shrek. Yo. Chaka McGillicuddy. What the fuck? Nigga, you ain't that serious, are you? Yo. That's like fucking 3,000 RPMs. Holy shit. I'm supposed to sleep with this bullshit? What the fuck? Get the fuck up, nigga.